how to add a new line on your Instagram bio. So first you want to open up the Instagram app, click on your profile logo on the bottom right, and then you want to click on edit profile. Now click on your bio and you want to type the first line. So for example, hello, and then to type a new line, you should simply press this blue button on the right hand side at the bottom. This should create a new line like that. You can type something else in a new line, and you can type something here. Now if you save and go back to your profile and refresh, you should see that everything is on a new line. And if for some reason that does not work for you, or you cannot find the button, here's a second way to do it. So first you will need to open up the notepad on your phone, and then you can type whatever you want in bio. For example, hello in the first line, and the second line something, and the third line, and potentially any links. Now you want to select everything and then copy. Now go back to the Instagram application, edit profile, and then click on bio and make sure to remove everything from here and simply paste whatever you copied from the notepad and save. Now if you go back and refresh your profile, you should see the new things that you've copied from your notepad in new lines. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.